Hi, you guys, it's Dr. D, and I'm super excited. Like always, I'm super excited because of what nutraMetrix brings to the table on a regular basis. We always have something that we're doing that is making practice implementation easier, maintaining or obtaining patient results easier for you, and we're always bringing you cutting edge solutions for the practice. The last weekend in Dallas is no exception to that rule. In fact, we will be having our last health professional product and implementation course for the year, the last weekend of June in Dallas, Texas. And the reason I wanted to come and tell you a little bit about the course is because you may remember that we sold out in Herndon, Virginia. And while that is a brilliant place for nutraMetrix to be, I do not want you to be in a sold out situation. But I'm also going to tell you that it was worth the wait to come to Dallas for a couple of different reasons. Our sold out event in Herndon was ridiculous. It was awesome. And we were able to share the stage, or I was fortunate enough to share the stage with Dr. Robert Zembroski, a functional neurologist and chiropractor. That is going to be brought to you in Dallas as well. In fact, what's going to make it worth the wait is that we do not have Dr. Rob for one day. We have him for 2 full days for the health professional product and implementation course. But we are also going to be able to share this stage, and you're going to have the privilege of hearing also from Dr. Ed Flores, a medical doctor out of Conroe, Texas, Houston, Texas area, triple board certified practitioner, pulmonology, pulmonary medicine, sleep medicine, and obesity medicine is what he brings to the table. And you are going to want to be here for this 2-day event where you're going to be able to hear from him about sleep health, sleep hygiene, changing the health of America, and starting early with our kids and being sure that we are mission driven. In fact, that's one of the very neat parts of this course. When I share the stage with Dr. Rob Zembroski and Dr. Edward Flores, is both of them are on a mission to change the health of the community around them. And that's a fantastic place to be, because when we ask ourselves, as practitioners, is this meaningful in my patient base? Is this meaningful in my community? You're going to hear just how meaningful it is, not just from me, but from Dr. Rob Zembroski and Dr. Edward Flores. Now, I'm going to try to bring something to the table. I've got to up my game because of my clinical faculty in Dallas. So this is going to be one of the spaces where you're going to get some of the most in-depth training on the genomic program. We're going to go way beyond learning how to choose a gene snip bundle or how to use products, some of the clinical pearls that we've developed over the last few years with gene snip. We're going to take it one step further, and we're going to go modular on you, and we're going to break out the SNPs related to blood sugars and exactly how they function and how we can manipulate gene environment. We're going to look not just at cardiovascular SNPs and weight loss SNPs. We're going to get into many of the mental, emotional, stress SNPs and sleep SNPs. We have the fortune, because of the diversity of this clinical faculty, to take a look at gene SNP from those of us that have concerns with how do we talk to our patients about sleep and learning more about their nutrigenomics. How we look at obesity and nutrigenomics. How are we looking at fitness and nutrigenomics? So we've got a very special lineup for you. It includes looking at sleep hygiene, autism in America, evaluating autoimmunity concerns in our patient base, how to identify those immunity concerns, but more importantly, how to take action and help our patients take action. We're going to do this through the lens of gene SNP. We're going to do this through the lens of functional lab testing, and we're going to do this through the lens of clinical pearls from our esteemed clinical faculty. Myself, Dr. Deidre Mason, of course, Dr. Robert Zembroski, a functional neurologist and chiropractor, and one of our favorite faculty members, Dr. Edward Flores, triple board certified, a pulmonologist out of Texas. So if you want to see us, do not hesitate. You are going to go to nutraMetrix.com, the corporate website. You are going to click on events, and you will register right there. It's easy enough. You just click on the register link, get your registration faxed in, scanned in, do what you've got to do, people. Can't wait to see you the last weekend in June. That is the 29th and the 30th for our big 2-day event. But don't let this get past you, our last 2-day event of 2019. Don't make me wait to talk to you in 2020. Let's get it done today. Okay, you guys, see you soon.